Well, investors enthusiastically bought up stocks, undeterred by a batch of disappointing economic reports. Retail sales fell in September, down 0.1%, but that was the first drop in 6 months. The decline was mostly because of a big drop in auto sales. Home prices also cooling off. The S&P Case-Shiller Index that tracks 20 cities showed home prices rose only 1.3% in August, its smallest monthly gain since March. And consumer confidence down. The Conference Board's index slipped to its lowest level in 6 months. So the data points down, but stocks continue to go up. In normal times, this probably wouldn't happen, but these are not normal times.
On Wall Street, stocks keep going up. It's been a slow grind upward, a steady drumbeat of new highs. If it's not the S&P 500, it might be the Russell 2000 or the Dow Transports, and hundreds of companies watching their stock prices hit new 52-week highs. What's going on? It's not because of earnings.
The market sometimes follows profits and sometimes it doesn't.
And it's not because of consumer spending. Auto sales fell more than 2% last month, and the pace of home sales is also slowing. In fact, consumers are feeling pretty lousy these days. A new survey shows a sharp drop in consumer confidence, partly because of the government shutdown, partly because hiring is still weak, and partly because people are just plain worried. So why the disconnect between what's going on here and here? It's because of this man. Federal Reserve Chief Ben Bernanke has been deliberately keeping interest rates super low, making more money available to consumers and businesses. The result? Cash is pouring into the stock market.
This party is artificial. This party is, I hate to call it a Harry Potter market, okay? This is a dream world market.
So far, there's nothing that'll rattle people out of that dream. Policymakers meeting today and tomorrow in Washington are expected to keep stimulating the economy. And Wall Street pros say that as long as the economy muddles along, they don't see policy changes coming anytime soon.
We've had just modest economic news. Why is that going to change? I think, we continue to have growth that's okay, but not great.
And until the economy is healthy enough to take the Fed out of the equation, it looks like stocks have an all clear to run even higher.
And many market pros and economists are now saying the Fed won't begin trimming back on that stimulus program until April or even later.